All right, well, hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kaiser Carmen, and you're here watching Carmen Farms. If you watched the last video at all, or made it through that one, it's probably a little bit boring, but you knew that I got some new stuff to play with. Blockage monitoring system for the air seeder. I'm trying to think, it's Intelligent Ag is what it's called, and I actually kind of like the system, or from the looks of it anyways. But here's got a lot of the pieces. These pieces go on each one, so I got 6 of those, all the wiring harness. They even sent me a mounting bracket for the iPad that's got to go in there. But yeah, Intelligent Ag blockage monitor. Well, that's the app, Recon blockage monitor. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. It's kind of a cloudy, windy day today. So it's a good time to just try to get this done. We're trying to finish up this afternoon or into the evening. If I get it all done, that'd be great. But so I kind of got the first one done. It took me a little bit. These were pretty easy. You just slide them over the hose, which I really like. Because I have another blockage monitor system on the no-till air seeder, and the hose goes over them, and they always plug. They plug real easy. So hopefully that'll work good. No wires, something to do with just the air pressure there, I think. Don't know. We're gonna find out on that one. But I don't know, but it looks good. I think I got it figured out, so we're just gonna keep on going and hopefully knock it out. I hope. I think that's the easy part. The hard part is still trying to figure out where to put the antenna and this system here, because I only have enough wire to go so far. So yeah, we'll see on that. But it's looking good. So I'm actually excited. This will be really nice because the old one didn't work very well, and then last year it just kind of gave out completely. Let's see if I can find. So this was the old one. It just clamped. It didn't even clamp. Just squeezed over the hose, and somehow it measured that there was something going through there. Anyways, they kind of fell apart, and yeah, and I only had them on one hose on each tower, so at least I knew if one of the big hoses, one of these hoses over here, came off. I have had one of these come off before, so that was real nerve-wracking last year to know what, yeah, just to know. Got out and checked a lot, but you could get out and check, and that pass after you just checked, it could fall off. So hopefully this will be a much better deal. It's basically, it needed to be done. If the old one still worked, I didn't have a problem with it. At least I knew the big hoses worked, but it, where it broke. So I figured, well, let's just go ahead and get a good system on it and make things a little more reliable. And we just have a better idea knowing what's going on then. But yep, got the old Magnum hooked up to it right now. Pretty certain we'll hook Blueberry back up unless we don't have enough wiring harnesses. But we're still trying to decide what we're going to do there, because some of the changes on the farm, Blueberry might actually have to be the one farming the ground while this is drilling, because the other tractor will be hooked up to the no-till. We'll also have the John Deere hooked up to the grain cart. So it probably would mean that this one or Blueberry will be farming in front of us. Or we'll just farm it all and then drill it. I don't know. Generally, you like to farm a little bit ahead of it so you don't just dry it out completely, but we'll see. I'm just kind of rambling. Let's get into this and get it done. All right, here's another one down. I even got some extra help this time. This time, got quite the crew over here. Yep, they're all here. They're over here putting all the hose clamps on for me, because there's a lot in there. So I thought I'd be nice and give her the drill and I'll take the wrench. Hopefully she'll be done here before long. But it's looking good. It's looking good. All right, well guys, hey, we got it all on. Those looking pretty good. Hopefully you can see it all. We are missing 6 of our 6 sensors. Must have got some measurement calculations off or something, but not a big deal. I guess I should have just counted them, but I never did. I just asked and got them from the same people same dealership that I bought the drill from. They're like, yeah, we got all the dimensions. Well, we don't need, it'll be good. So, oh well. Let's order a couple more. Not a big deal. The heart of the work there is done anyway, so just cut the hoses and put them in. But it looks pretty good, I think. Now we just got to go through and run all of our wiring and get that all set up. And then we got to get, because this is a wireless setup, even though I'm running wires. But so it's just the wires to connect each one of those ECU, whatever thingamajig is. This is the antenna for the Bluetooth, I believe. And I believe it needs to be mounted up on the cart somewhere. And then all of this wiring, I think I finally understood what they were saying there. That. And then that, and then this here. So anyways, somehow that talks to that and sends a communication across, and so should be good. I think should be good. All right, well, this is the next day. I think we got all the wiring harnesses all kind of put together and wired up. Got it strung up to the tractor. Got stuff placed. I still need to tie all the wiring up, make it nice and neat. But all that should be good. The only dilemma that I'm having, and I did get some more row flow sensors ordered, because apparently instead of this being a 10-inch, this is like a 9-inch. So yeah, didn't know that. Guess I didn't count it either. But we're just having one issue, and that issue is the gateway isn't working with the app. So we're not getting, it's not picking anything up, and that's, my hat's messing up. Well, that might be why. It's not working correctly, and that's too big. Anyways, it's not working like it's supposed to be. It's not communicating correctly. So we got that problem. But we do have power to everything, so that's good. We're in the right path. It's a little more work here, and we'll have it all buttoned up. I hope. What do you think, KJ? We're gonna have it all buttoned up here in a little bit?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll find out. All right, well, we got that all put on. Yeah, as you said, we got all the wires zip tied and attached correctly. I did fold it. None of the wires got pinched. That all looked really good. We did figure out the problem with the iPad app and the gateway, all that. I guess sometimes it just install wrong on the iPad. And so they said just delete it and reload it. Seemed to work. It was working, everything was communicating. It saw everything there, so that's good. At least I knew I did my job somewhat correct. The directions say this should go up there, but I didn't have the wiring harness, and I asked them, and they said this should be fine. This should be strong enough signal to get me up there, which it is. So we should be good there too. But otherwise, that part is done. Like I said, I do got more of these ordered. So just gotta wait for those. Make sure all my broken hoses are put back on. But I did notice we're gonna have to come through and replace a few of these are breaking up here. I don't know. You can see this one here. See that crack? So that's kind of a bummer. I don't know why they're doing that, but maybe too much no-till work with it. I don't know. But I think all we got left is to do those and grease it. But as it is, that's done. I gotta go do some other stuff. So for now, this is done. And we'll get back to it and be ready to drill wheat, because that's gonna be here before we know it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. See ya.